based on my previous video, some vacuum cleaners might want to involve a rotating attachment, like for a Bissell or maybe a bagless Hoover, no matter which vacuum you're using. Unfortunately, some vacuums with bags can do the same thing, depending how old it is or how new it is. So I'm going to be vacuuming my mattress. I noticed someone from the UK likes doing that too. Yep. When I turn this vacuum on, this thing is going to rotate so it could take in the dust mites, which could relate to COVID, which could relate to COVID in the way properly. Here you go. Sound like W at the same time. Perhaps I should explain that storing procedure. I'm guessing for some vacuums might stall when I'm using a mattress cover like this, so it might, yeah. I think some vacuums might want to pull the mattress cover in, so gotta be careful. So got to be careful. I got to be careful for that. This is called the Turbo Eraser Pet. Yep. Or probably not ready to clean your mattress. I'm not ready to clean your mattress. I guess you could rely on a dusting attachment. Let's try this out. I don't want to make this too long actually. Here we go. With this method, you can brush all those with this attachment. You can brush away all those dust mites, which can relate to COVID-19. Vacuuming the mattress once in a while. Clean the mattress, clean the mattress, clean the mattress. Clean the mattress so early in the afternoon. well, let's see, there can be other vacuum cleaners that could clean mattresses. Probably the best idea is like get a good vacuum by either by Kirby, which does the handheld feature on the vacuum. I do have one by Shark in the bathroom closet, which I could probably show probably tomorrow probably. There can be good ideas for vacuuming tips videos. So thank you for watching vacuuming tip videos. Adios.